Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday. I think it's March the 24th. And the judge in my county, Williamson County, just signed a stay-at-home order beginning at midnight tonight. And that includes recreational motorcycle riding. So I'm getting a little riding in today before we get shut out completely, because they say motorcycle riding is non-essential. Well, I would disagree. It's essential to my mental health. I guess I'll have to try other sports to keep me occupied and keep me busy. It's beautiful out. I'm exercising the Spyder for a change. Fun to get back on her. She's treated me well over the years. Got that bulletproof Rotax 1330 engine, triple, that is always ready to go. So it's a nice day. It's according to the Spyder about 90 degrees out. Sun is shining. I've seen some blue bonnets here and there. I am wondering what you all are doing in your areas, as far as, are you able to ride still, or is this it? Just drop those in the comments below. Ours is going through April 13th. Unless it's essential travel. I guess I could always put a bag of groceries somewhere on the bike and say, I went to pick up groceries. There's no toilet paper in my county, so I had to go 100 miles to find some toilet paper. It'd be hard to prove otherwise. They're imposing a $1,000 fine on those not complying to the order. Austin's doing the same thing. I don't know what their penalty is. Don't like penalties. Not sure I understand what I would do to infect or catch something with a full face helmet on. But I've always been a law-abiding citizen. And I do have other hobbies. Maybe I'll get some remote control aircraft out again, unless they say I can't do that either. Otherwise, things are great. Only a smattering of cases of the coronavirus in our area. So that's a good thing. I know it's highly contagious. I know it's dangerous to a lot of people. I hate shutting the country down like this. We had a vibrant economy before this. I know that economy is going to come back, but we can't delay it too long. And so I believe the president wants to open this back up again by Easter, which is a good thing. I'm hoping it's sooner, but I'm not the expert. I'm just the motorcycle rider. So let me know what you all think. No pretty scenery to share as of yet, but maybe we'll come on a little bit later if we find some pretty pictures to share. Y'all stay safe out there. And if you can ride, enjoy the ride, because you don't know how long it's going to last. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.